We're just two kids on a mission, asking for some change. Throughout the course of this year, my peer Agnes Su and I, through the PEA Summer Fellowship Program, have been conducting research for our independent research project, Asking for Change, based in my hometown of Los Angeles, California, one of the nation's largest cities, facing one of the nation's largest problems of homelessness. Now, this documentary, Asking for Change, focuses specifically on Venice Beach, California, and highlights the toxic relationship between the local government, local community, and those suffering from the epidemic that is homelessness. You see, California is no stranger to these problems. California is the leading state in the nation for those to be considered homeless, accounting for over 21% of the sensitized population of the states. Los Angeles specifically is known to have the highest concentration of homeless. According to a 2011 census, 51,000 people in a given night were roaming the city streets. Now, it's amazing for us to see that in a city with such wealth, there's such widespread destitution. And especially in a place such as Venice, where this destitution is perpetuated by a culture and an economy that thrives off of it, in a vicious cycle. Now, Agnes and I have some questions to ask, like, how is this happening? What is letting this happen? How is this continuing? What is being done about it? But mainly, what can we do? But to answer these questions, we need your help. Contributors, that's where you come in. Our budget for Asking for Change is $2,950, $1,800 of which will go to technological and audio equipment, $850 of which will go to airfare and ground transportation, and $300 of which will go to the production of the documentary's materials, which the revenue we receive from them will then go right back to our local community partners. By interviewing the local government, the city's government, those suffering, the local community, and the shelters and such in the area, we hope to find some answers to our questions. And with the help of you, of course. We understand also that not everyone can contribute monetarily, which is why we ask you to share our campaign via means of different social media, whether it be Facebook, Twitter, email, whatever it may be. But that just helps our mission, our specific mission. To help the bigger mission here, we are asking you to go out to a local shelter or a soup kitchen or study the statistics of homelessness in your community, because that helps our bigger mission, one that our country faces. You see, because this is really not a study specifically of Venice or a project based in Venice or Los Angeles or California. This is about a bigger problem that our country faces and that 2.5 to 3.3 million people in a given year will face. And this is a very real problem that we have neglected to see. Because really, we're just two kids on a mission, asking for some change, and we hope that you'll ask too.